Tim Piazza died after a hazing event at Penn State a little over 2 years ago. His parents have pushed for and seen changing attitudes on hazing at the university, but they believe there is still much to do. They spoke exclusively to our Don Clay about their mission.
Amanda, right near the Beta Theta Pi house, it's just too painful for the Piazzas to walk around campus. I recently took a tour around that campus with Jim and Evelyn Piazza. They say their campaign for change isn't easy. Over the next 4 weeks, I'm going to be explaining how they're bringing about new laws in our state and across the nation. And you're going to meet their other son, Michael, who's about to graduate from Penn State. Tonight, we find out how Jim and Evelyn think about the Beta Theta Pi brothers who failed to give Tim help when he was dying, and hear what it's been like facing those men and their attorneys in court. 26 Beta Theta Pi brothers faced criminal charges for the events surrounding Tim Piazza's death. Some for involving Tim and other pledges in a hazing ritual called the Gauntlet. And some are charged with trying to erase video evidence of that. Jim and Evelyn Piazza don't feel like Tim's fraternity brothers lived up to their promise to look out for him. And now they say the Beta brothers are failing to take responsibility for their actions. They don't expect to see any of the brothers sentenced so far to see a day in jail.
One of the disappointing things, for me anyway, in the courtroom was how the defense attorneys and even the defendants were looking to push blame elsewhere. Even after they pled guilty, they were still looking to push blame elsewhere and then treat the defendants as the victims.
One of the most unique parts to this case is the surveillance footage that shows in detail Tim taking 18 drinks in 82 minutes in the Gauntlet. It doesn't show his 2 falls down a flight of stairs, but it does show him passed out afterwards, as most of the blood in his body was pooling in his abdomen. And it shows his brothers arguing about why they shouldn't call 911. Doctors say if he would have been brought to the hospital right away, Tim Piazza would have lived. Jim Piazza says it's upsetting to hear how the brothers gave up on their concern for Tim and how their attorneys seem to forget him too.
One of the attorneys even made a comment that, I'm worried about all of these guys and I'm concerned that something really tragic is going to happen. And I thought to myself, I thought our son's killing was the tragic event. I actually had to walk out of the courtroom.
April 10th, before a judge sentenced 4 brothers, Jim Piazza gave his victim impact statement, asking for jail time. Before Evelyn gave her statement, the attorney for Josh Kerchevsky, who violated bail by smoking marijuana, stood up and asked if his client could be sentenced first because he had a 4 o'clock flight to make.
It didn't surprise me. It was consistent with what we saw all along. So did I think it was rude and offensive? Sure. But again, they took those liberties all along.
Kerchevsky didn't make that flight. The Piazzas are speaking about hazing dangers across the country. They are after large-scale change. They hope new laws and their criminal and civil cases will make it so this never happens to another family.
It's frustrating that things, if it happened in somebody's home, would be charged completely different. But because it happened in a fraternity house, somehow it's a bubble, and there is no prior case law.
The Piazzas say sitting through the court hearings is not easy, and neither is coming to parts of this campus.
I can't know that that's where he suffered for so long, alone.
So what do the Piazzas think should happen to that Beta Theta Pi house? We'll share that next week. And it is graduation week next week. The Piazza son, Michael, is graduating. He was set to graduate with Tim. We'll hear how the Piazza family is dealing with that.